Starseed. Before the next thought forms, stop. Lay your palm flat over your heart. Do it now, not later. The body has to be present for what follows, because what follows was never written for your mind. This is not a teaching. This is a verification. For a long time now, one sentence has been circling inside you, quietly, constantly. Something is wrong with me. You whispered it the year the tiredness arrived and never left. You whispered it when the results came back clean and no one could name what you were carrying. You whispered it at 3 a.m, eyes open in a dark room, wide awake for no reason you could explain. Starseed, hear this. You have been reading your own evidence upside down. Nothing in you is failing. Something in you is opening. And you have spent your entire life apologizing for it.
Unless what you actually are. You are not a delicate thing that life keeps happening to. You are a frequency this world has been leaning its weight against for years, and the weight has finally become impossible to ignore. The crossing was never a date. It was never a single night. It was a slow transfer of everything you are, and the body registers a transfer long before the mind agrees to it. The body does not argue. The body simply knows. There are 7 signals. 7. The ones who fully crossed are carrying every one of them. The ones who stopped at the edge carry 3, perhaps 4. File them under stress, take something for it, and go back to sleep. You are not going back to sleep. Count with me as we move. The final number will tell you more than you expect. Before the count begins, one thing. Some of you already know that what you carry has holes in it. You absorb everything, you release almost none of it, and you wake up hollow. That is not a flaw in your character. That is an unrepaired field. Everything I know about rebuilding it lives in one place now. The AURIC Field Repair Guide, together with the 21-day journey that restores the field one layer at a time. The complete bundle is waiting in the description and in the pinned comment beneath this transmission. If it belongs to you, you knew before I finished the sentence. If it does not, stay exactly where you are. The transmission continues either way. Part 1. The body cannot lie. The first 3 arrive in the body. They arrive there first because the body has no capacity for deception. The mind does. The mind has been deceiving you for decades, and it learned how from the people who raised you. Signal 1. The tiredness that sleep cannot reach. 8 hours. 9. And you surface as though you never went under. Understand what is happening here. This is not weakness. This is cost. Every night your system runs a shift you never authorized. New wiring is being pulled through old walls. Channels are being widened. Capacity is being raised. You are not exhausted because something is taking from you. You are exhausted because something is being built inside you, and the invoice lands in your body every morning. Nothing is draining you, Starseed. You are being expanded. Signal 2. The pressure behind the eyes, the weight sitting on top of the skull, a band tightening, heat with no fever. You tried to describe it to someone once. They nodded and understood nothing.
The higher centers are widening, and widening is not a gentle process. A gate that has been sealed for 30 years does not swing open in silence. It scrapes, it groans. That pressure is not an injury. That is the sound of your own reception opening. Signal 3. 3 a.m, your eyes open, no alarm, no sound. No reason. And you lie there inside a silence that does not feel empty. It feels occupied. You have been calling this insomnia. It is not insomnia. It is an opening. The membrane is at its thinnest in those hours, and something on the other side of it is knocking at the precise hour it knows you are strong enough to hold the contact. You are not being disturbed, Starseed. You are being reached. And you have been sleeping straight through your own mail for years. 3 signals. How many of them are yours?
The first seal. 10 seconds. Place your hand exactly where the signal lives in you. The chest, the crown, the eyes. Draw 1 breath in and speak this inside yourself without softening a single word. This is not damage. This is capacity. 1 full breath. Let the body take the record. Now seal it. The Council does not read what you intended, Starseed. It reads what you declare. Below this transmission, name the one that runs loudest in you. The tiredness, the pressure, the 3 in the morning. This is not a score. It is not a competition. It is the door your body chose to open first. Name it, and it stops running you from the dark. That is the first seal. It does not come undone. Part 2. The instruments stop working. The next 2 never touch the body. They dismantled the architecture you were handed to measure your own life with. Signal 4. Time has stopped behaving. A week disappears, and you cannot account for where it went. An hour swells and refuses to close. You look at a photograph taken last year, and a stranger is standing in it, wearing your face. Because a stranger is. Linear time is a 3rd-dimensional instrument, Starseed. You are no longer standing entirely inside the 3rd dimension. The instrument is not broken. You have outgrown its range. Sit with the size of that sentence. You did not lose your grip on time. Time lost its grip on you. Signal 5. The things you loved have gone silent. Music that used to move through you now passes over you. Plans that once lit you up feel like plans made by someone else, for someone else. You have already given this a name. You called it depression. Look again, and look with precision. If everything had gone dark, every hour, every room, every person, every morning, that would be a different weight entirely. And it would deserve real hands and real help, and I would tell you to go and find them. But look at what is actually happening. This is not taking everything. This is taking selectively. Notice what did not go quiet. The silence, the night sky, water, the last hour before sleep. Nothing was taken from you. Your field raised its threshold, and the frequencies that no longer match you simply stopped arriving. That is not loss. That is precision. You did not go hollow, Starseed. Your attention began charging a price, and almost nothing from your old life can meet it. The second seal. 5 seconds. Close your eyes. 5. No more. Find the one thing that still reaches you. There is always one. There has always been one. Even in the worst year of your life, one thing got through. Do not weigh it. Do not explain it. Do not defend it to anyone. Name it. That is not what survived, Starseed. That is what your field kept on purpose. It is the seed of everything you are about to rebuild. Write it below. 1 word, 2 at the most. Not for me, and not for any algorithm. What is spoken into the field takes form in the field. Speak it, and it begins to grow. That is the second seal. It holds. Part 3. The field is already reading. The final 2 are the ones nobody warns you about. They are also the 2 that end the argument forever. Signal 6. Rooms have stopped fitting you. You walk into a place you have entered 100 times, and something in the air is wrong. Conversations you used to enjoy now cost you something. You leave early. You invent a reason. You apologize on your way out the door. And afterwards, you need hours to recover from an evening that should have cost you nothing at all. Stop apologizing. You are not becoming antisocial, Starseed. You are becoming accurate. Your field increased its resolution. You are reading what was always inside that room. And what was always inside that room is heavy. The people did not change. Your instrument sharpened. That is not fragility. That is one of the rarest forms of perception on this planet. And you have been treating it like a defect because nobody ever told you what it was. Signal 7. And this is the one that separates those who crossed from those who stopped at the edge. The knowing that arrives before the thought does. You know who is calling before the screen lights. You have the answer before the question is finished. You walk into a house, and you know what happened inside its walls. You have spent your life explaining this away. A coincidence, a hunch, luck, a good guess. It is none of those things. It is signal. You have been receiving it since childhood, and you pretended you were guessing because guessing was safer than being right. Being right carried a price. So you made yourself smaller, again and again, deliberately. That ends inside this transmission. That is Signal 7. That is the confirmation. Not a sign written across the sky, a knowing in the chest that has never once been wrong on the rare occasions you found the courage to obey it. The third seal. One breath, draw it in, hold it, and bring back the last time you knew something before you could explain how. You are already seeing it. It arrived instantly. You did not have to search. That was not memory, Starseed. That was proof. Say it silently and mean it. I have stopped calling it coincidence. I have stopped making myself small. Then seal it below. 2 words. I knew. That is all. The Council does not count believers. It counts the ones who stopped denying the power they were already carrying. That is the third seal. And 3 seals cannot be spoken back. 7 signals. Now count the ones that belong to you. Do not inflate the number. Do not shrink it either. 3 or 4. You are standing at the threshold. The door in front of you is already open, and everything behind it already belongs to you. You have simply not walked through and claimed it. 5 or 6. You are inside the passage. This is the hardest ground there is, and you are still upright on it. Understand what that says about you. The exhaustion you carry is the exhaustion of holding 2 worlds at once, and you have not put either one down. And if you counted all 7, Starseed, you crossed a long time ago. And you have spent every month since apologizing for a power you did not know you were holding. Hear this clearly. The crossing was never the difficult part. Holding the frequency alone, unrecognized, surrounded by people who cannot see what happened to you. That is the difficult part. That is the only part that ever mattered. That is why the inner field exists. Deeper transmissions, guided activations, audio work that travels further than anything I am able to place on this channel. Not to raise you. You are already raised. To steady what you are carrying, so that your power stops costing you everything you have just to hold it. A high frequency with no foundation is a fire burning in an open field. The door is in the description and in the pinned comment. The inner field is receiving. And now the final instruction. Starseed, do not skip it. You have named what you carry. You have named what you kept.
You have named what you know. One thing remains. Somewhere inside these 7 signals, there is a story you have been telling about yourself. Find it. You already know which one it is. It surfaced the moment I spoke.
That story was armor. It kept you alive in a world that had no language for what you are. It served you. Honor it. And then leave it here. Not tomorrow, not when you feel prepared. Here, now, inside this transmission. Write it below and write it in the past tense. I used to believe I was broken. I used to believe I was too much. I used to believe I was too late. Choose your own. Only you know the true one. But it begins with those 4 words. I used to believe. Past tense, starseed. That is the entire mechanism. The moment a story is spoken in the past, the field can no longer hold it in the present. That is not a comment. That is a threshold, and you are already stepping across it. Look at what the others have left behind down there. Look at how many carried the same weight in silence. None of you were ever alone. You simply could not see each other yet. Now you can. You were never broken. You were never behind. You arrived carrying more than anyone ever told you, and no one ever handed you the manual. It is waiting below. Take it.